back again, emoji unboxing. This time is pretty short because there's only 2 packages that I tried to unbox. But I just don't know why, I just want to record every unboxing right now because there's already a setup that kind of possible to record every unboxing that I do. But basically I don't want to do just one package because unless it is very expensive. But if you talk about the cheap package, well, I try to combine it into one. So this time I tried to buy the switch. Only 4 switch, maybe the cost of the total only $2, and with free shipping costs that I use instead of making it just expired. So I think second package will most likely keycaps. I tried to buy quite cheap. So I used to almost bought it quite a long time ago, but it eventually got sold already. So sometimes if you try to be patient and get more cheap things in the future. So this is the keycaps of Samurai Black. Keycaps, so around $15.